ऑनलाइन है ऑफलाइन है?
हमने जब सेमेट्रिक्स को शुरू किया था 2019 में, तो द विजन वाज कि डेमोक्रेटाइज एआई. AI was just knocking our doors at that time. It came more earlier, much earlier, but at that time, people and everyone was talking about AI. Right, that was a time. It was like an inflection point in 2017, 18, 19 was that time period. So we realized कि there's a lot of potential of AI, but our generation is not ready to reap the benefits of that AI. Right, so what we can do to democratize, to let student know, not only student who are sitting in NCR or metro cities, but those students who are in the remote areas of the country, they can also understand and learn AI, right, and build their career in this domain of AI. तो उसी पे काम करते हुए we got into this domain of training and learning of AI, and then we developed a curriculum. That curriculum, when we were designing our curriculum, we took help from several experts who are experts in AI, right? And then we tried to understand what our global universities are teaching in AI, and we realized, and we tried to understand from their alumni, from those particular universities, from some of their professors over there. And when we talk about those universities, they are basically top 10 universities of the globe. So what kind of training or teaching they're doing in AI field for the master's course. Right?
Okay.
We try to understand if a student goes to those universities, what he will go through, what kind of subjects he will read, what kind of skill set is required, and where our student who are going for those courses. For example, if someone is in BTech from India and he or she goes for a master's course in AI in those particular universities, so where their pain points are, right? Where do they struggle? So we realize that our students are struggling in statistics, and that's the core of AI. So based on those understandings, we developed a curriculum, and we tried to cover 50% of what they are covering in their master courses in our undergraduate courses, right? And we are keeping that benchmark throughout. Right, so what we do essentially is that bench जो हमारे जो फाउंडेशनल्स हैं, जो हमारे पिलर्स ऑफ एआई हैं, उनको हम पूरा यहाँ पर डेप्थ में आके कवर करते हैं.
ओके, अब मुझे एक चीज जाननी है, ऑनलाइन है ऑफलाइन है? क्योंकि मुझे साउंड जैसा आपने बताया कि मुझे लग रहा है कि ऑनलाइन है, और ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन का मुझे थोड़ा बताइए कि.
देखिए, हमारी स्ट्रेंथ ये है कि हम उसको ऑफलाइन करते हैं.